All right, I think we're good to go here. Hello, everybody. My name is Jet Hannon, Jet. A little bit about me. I'm a senior here at Texas State. Um, I graduate on August 6th. This is one of my last upper level comm electives that I needed. It's been a while since I've taken a speech class, and I know I'm using filler words right now, which is bad on me. But I'm from Austin, Texas. I'm 22. Um, I love to skateboard. I love the outdoors. I love to snowboard. I like sports. Classic. Um, I like to watch soccer and football more than anything else, probably. I'm not a big hockey guy or anything like that, or baseball. It pains me to watch baseball. But that's pretty much it. I'm moving to Austin this month on the 28th, and I kind of look forward to making some speeches and stuff because it's definitely good for you. So I hope everybody's doing all right, and I hope this is sufficient. So yeah, that's a little bit about me. Have a great day.